This is the home of the late Chris Schenkel, Emmy Award-winning broadcaster and legendary sportscaster, whose highly renowned career spanned more than 5 decades. Throughout that time frame, this unique and beloved lake home in northern Indiana was the perfect alternative to the big city, an ideal sanctuary and peaceful haven for Chris Schenkel to enjoy leisure time with wife Francesca, raise their 3 children, share quality time with 3 grandchildren and 2 great-grandchildren, while welcoming the greatest sports legends as guests. Metzger Property Services presents this opportunity to purchase this wonderful estate of Chris Schenkel, a majestic waterfront home on Tippecanoe Lake in Kosciusko County, selling at auction August 27th. These 4 lots have the distinction of being the only property with a Tippecanoe River tributary running through them at 7101 North Kalorama Rd, Leesburg, Indiana. The 5-bedroom home has a 3-car garage with detached apartment above. Carrying the moniker the Byron Nelson Suite, Schenkel built the suite for Byron to seek respite and enjoy playing golf a short stroll away at Tippecanoe Lake Country Club. This is a rare opportunity to enjoy a grandiose estate that hosted the historic likes of Wayne Gretzky, Muhammad Ali, Hank Aaron, A.J. Foyt, Archie Griffin, Larry Bird, Mark Spitz, and Dick Weber, as well as Jessie Owens, Johnny Weissmuller, Carol Shelby, and many more who have enjoyed the one-of-a-kind lake views. Visit this property and quickly discover why broadcasting pioneer Chris Schenkel, a Pro Football Hall of Fame inductee, College Football Hall of Fame inductee, and inductee into 16 other Halls of Fame, cherish this home on the shores of Tippecanoe Lake. Don't miss the open house event Thursday evening, August 18th from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. This 5-bedroom home, a 4-lot lakefront property on Tippecanoe Lake in Kosciusko County, Indiana, will sell at auction Saturday afternoon, August 27th at 1 o'clock. Auction takes place off-site in the event room of Tippecanoe Lake Country Club. To find out more, call John at Metzger Property Services, 574-376-5340, or visit the website bidmetzger.com.